Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and I have a Spellbinders Club sneak peek for you today, along with sneak peeks of some of the emergency card kits coming out this month. If you're new to my channel, I release free printable sentiments a couple times a month, usually on the first and third Fridays. But this month I have promised everyone there are at least 5 new printable card kits available. And the entire month is jam-packed with surprises. So we're gonna start off just by looking at the clubs. We'll reveal a few things, and then I'll give you a little overview of what's coming up. Every month, Spellbinders sends me 4 club kits before they release so I can play with them and create inspiration for you. And this one is the 3D embossing folder of the month. This might be my favorite kit of the month. I love these pumpkins. And so we're gonna make this beautiful, shiny ombre background. I will show you how I got all that extra depth of color. And then on Friday, we will release our fall emergency card kit. And that's where this sentiment came from. Happy birthday, pumpkin. But you will get a tutorial for this card on Wednesday, on the 4th. And there will be extra reveals of what extra kits are coming out on Wednesday. So be sure to tune back in for that 8 a.m. Central Time. I made another card using this 3D embossing folder. This one includes it just in the background there. And then I also brought in the large die of the month for those sunflowers. The large die of the month is very unique this month. We haven't seen one quite like this. So we get this huge barn that I didn't use yet. And then we have some hills. This creates a little pathway and you can put the fences along the pathway. We have a tree, okay? And then there's a couple of pieces you can put in the tree, your sunflower, tiny pumpkins, a sun, the clouds, many thanks, tons and tons of great options in here. My friends, I am in love with all the different ways you can play with this kit. For this particular card, I just made 2 sunflowers and I layered them up a little bit. I think they're only intended to have 1 layer of petals, but I did 2. So I'll show you again on Wednesday, both of these cards and how I layered that up. And then what I did to create this sentiment and get that all cut out. That sentiment will release on Friday. So Spellbinders also sends me the stencil of the month. And this month we get 5 stencils that all together create an A2 panel. And it is a full A2. I'm gonna try to get these all on screen at the same time. I have made my panel. So I created a kind of mixed media background and then I stenciled on top and we've sort of captured it. You can see through that embossing a little bit, but there's so much shine on here. And my next step is to add a sentiment. So we have our fall kit that's coming out on Friday. And I was thinking maybe just a little strip sentiment right here, but I have another option I want to show you. So this is the small die of the month. And we have this scarecrow and you can use a little like cute face or this creepy jack-o'-lantern face. You have a place to hang your scarecrow. It says pumpkin or hello. We have little pumpkins and a sunflower, pieces to decorate. And so I thought, what if we took this crow that's in the set and maybe we put him on our sentiment, or maybe some of these bats that are in the set, right? Let me know, crow, bats, no crows or bats, one or the other. And if we're gonna do that, there's potentially a different kind of sentiment that we might need. I will finish this card and show you the full tutorial on Wednesday. So be sure to come back on Wednesday, the 4th, and see what we made and leave me your suggestions in the comment box below. And then here's another card that I made using that die set. It says, I have been changed for good. And we have our scarecrow in a very like specific outfit. We have a little corn here. That corn is from the large die of the month from a year ago, 2 years ago. So it looks like 2 years ago, September of 22. This is the Thankful Tractor, and it's got some really great produce. And this tractor, I bought it because I live in Nebraska and there's corn in here. I couldn't not buy it because of the corn. And it has been on crazy clearance. If you're interested in this guy, I would grab it soon. I think I saw him for like $12. So I added corn right in here, and I'm sure some of you will recognize the quote, if not the entire scene. This is like one small piece of a thing. But that is your sneak peek for upcoming kits for today. And then I have one more card to show you. So this card isn't done yet either. I am working on ways to light up the Emerald City, my friends. And so I started actually by coloring up this Witchin heels. I will show you how I did that when the video comes out. I think this one will come out on the 18th, I think. Though if you know where to look, you'll be able to find it by Wednesday the 4th. But you got to be sneaky, okay? I would love to know what you guys would add to this. Right now, it's just very green. It's very green, and fittingly so. But what else do I add to this card? I am definitely adding lights. Right now, I have some easy lights kind of taped in there. And so right behind, let me move her, right behind each of the short pillars, there's a light. I have a third light that I can put somewhere. So if you have ideas on where to put that. Otherwise, I was thinking about some sparkling pieces. And also, can I say, I love this background. I love this background so much. So there will be a full tutorial for this one. I have a quote in mind for this, but if you have a quote you would like to suggest for this card, I would love to hear about it. And then actually, I know this is the I know that this is the Spellbinders Club sneak peek. Originally, I had the small die of the month, the Scarecrow cat, on here. In the movie photos, they actually have a hat in the Emerald City. And then there's potentially parts of the large die of the month in here as well. So we'll see where we end up. This one's got to get finished probably on Monday. So leave your comments below. I always love hearing from you. Other great kits of the month include the Windy Fall Leaves. It's the better press of the month, and it is absolutely beautiful. It has a registration plate, so you can create a beautiful background of fall leaves in different colors. The stitching die of the month is an absolutely enormous sunflower, and it's beautiful. I don't think there's a way to cut this one without the stitching holes this time. It's something I'm always looking for because I want more dies, and the clubs are a great value. So I would say this one probably is one that needs to be stitched, but it's huge and gorgeous. The 2D embossing folder of the month is this wonderful chevron pattern. I think it's called Autumn Chevron, and it almost reminds me of like pie, but more geometric, like pie lattice. Anyway, definitely worth looking at. And then the glimmer of the month gives you this huge glimmer thanks. And I think some sub-sentiments. It's hard sometimes to see online before the kit's release, like what all is going to be in that kit. If you are interested in half or more of the kits, definitely check out the Deluxe Caboodle. It is 60% off, so it's a wonderful value. And there's always a bonus item this month. It is the cutest die-cut frog with a witch's hat. Friends. Oh my God, he's cute. I was really kind of hoping I would get him, but I didn't. So bummer for me, but maybe some of you will be able to get him. Then before I go, let's roll through the September calendar because friends, September is emergency card shenanigans. Like I can't. So to start with, I will be going live today at 4 p.m. Central Time, 2 p.m. Pacific, for some more Spellbinders Club Kit inspiration, but there will also be some sneak peeks in there with my friend Lynn from LV Handcrafted and Lauren Taylor from Lauren Taylor Made. And we will just make some cards, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. Then on the 4th, there will be more sneak peeks. I will release my video tutorial for 3 of these cards on the 4th. And in those cards, you will see more details about some of the emergency card kits coming out this month. On the 6th, it's the first Friday of the month, and we will release our first emergency card kit. That's our fall kit that's been scheduled for a while. On the 20th, you'll have your other regularly scheduled kit. It's going to be the Veterans themed kit that we've been talking about for 6 months. I'm really, really excited about that one as well. Again, if you have ideas for themes or sentiment wording, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. On the 11th, I will reveal our first big surprise. I bet you can't guess what it is. So that will be at 8 a.m. Central Time, our regular Wednesday video time. On the 13th, we will have our regular stepped up emergency card kit at 8 a.m., but then at noon Eastern. So 11 a.m. Central, 10 Mountain, 9 Pacific. Oh, math. I will have a huge announcement, like huge, huge, huge. Like if you want to make sure you get all of the free kits available this month, definitely check out that announcement. On Wednesday, the 18th, I will release another big surprise. If you were paying attention earlier, you probably know what that one is. And then, my friends, the 25th through the 28th is the most exciting thing that has happened to me in crafting, maybe in my whole life ever. Like I am so, I cannot even tell you. So there will be big, fun, exciting things. There's a video every day, the 25th through the 28th. Lots and lots of things to share with you guys. So definitely come back, check that out. I can't wait to tell you more about it. My friends, if you're interested in these free kits, all I ask is that you subscribe to my channel. If you have a friend you think might enjoy emergency card kits, share this with them so they can help us celebrate all month long. I appreciate you spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.